Have you ever missed some serious red flags with a client and found yourself in a sticky situation? Are you new to the organizing profession and willing to ignore red flags in order to get some hands-on learning? If so, you're not alone. I'm Lauren Mang, owner of Let Me Organize It, based in the San Francisco Bay Area, and I not only made a lot of these mistakes when starting out, but continued to make them over the years. But why? In my Professional Organizers of Canada Virtual Summit presentation, Managing Difficult Clients with Clear Boundaries, you'll learn from my mistakes and know how to spot those red flags early on. You'll also learn why identifying, setting, and maintaining clear boundaries is key. In this session, we'll examine several case studies from my own work, and attendees will participate on how they would handle the situation. I'll reveal how I handled each situation, highlighting what to do, what not to do, and how to implement those clear boundaries. Additionally, you'll discover what to do once you've begun working with a client and you now realize it's no longer a good fit. And finally, you'll walk away feeling more confident in your ability to handle any client relationship and enforce your boundaries. This session will be ideal for those who keep running into difficult client situations and can't see those red flags from the beginning, just like I did. It's also great for someone who's worried about offending a client they no longer want to work with, or someone who needs help identifying and implementing clear boundaries with difficult clients. Finally, if you're looking to learn additional strategies and techniques through real-life case studies on working with difficult clients, this session can't be missed. I look forward to seeing you at the POC Virtual Summit on Saturday, November 7th.